Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this bathroom design over here. So let's continue it. So very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be selecting this vertices and I'll be just pushing it up. Also, what we'll be doing over here is like we'll be assigning a loop over here first, a bit at the down, and I'll go into this and I'll just push it out. That's it. Okay. So select this and this. For a temporary, we'll just assign a basic glass material. Before we assign this, so let's go into this, go into the material over here. So we'll be just assigning a basic glass material. So let's just go into the architectural and let's just give a glass clear over here. Alright. So now what we will do is we are going to create the inside part, the shower and all this stuff over here. For that, let's zoom this stuff over here. So first of all, what we'll be doing over here is if you want to create some tabs or knobs over here, we'll be creating first the knobs part over here. So we already have a knob over here. We can just take a copy of that over here and let's rotate it in 90 degree over here. Let's just rotate it in 90 degree and let's push it behind over here. So you can just scale it, you can just push this up till here and make one more copy of it. After that is done, what I can do over here is like we can definitely create this using a line over here. So let's go onto this view over here. So take a line over here like this. So go into this line, rendering, enable in viewport, make it as radial, and let's just push this over here. Reduce its thickness, push this up, push it over here. So over here now what we can do is like let's create a box over here. Just push this up. Go over here, take a tube over here. Can just rotate this. We'll just place it in this. So we can just reduce its radius if it is required over here, push it down, push it here up. So this is going to be extended up for the shower over here. So select the vertices of it over here. Convert to editable poly. So let's go into this and bevel it. And just extrude it up a bit. So again scale it and extrude it up again. Select this from both the sides. Extrude this. If you want, you can do in that way also, not a problem. So we'll be just selecting this and scaling it. So just select this and push it inside. Select this and push it inside. So push this up. Select this, push it inside. So you can just go over here and scale it if you want. You can just scale it. You can just scale this stuff. You can save your file. You can go into this, add some swift loops over here. So go into the vertices. Scale it. Alright. So once you're done with this, you can use a stand also over here. You can just create a small kind of a stand. We can just push this over here, push it up. That's it. So select this all and just give one color to it. Alright. So one bottle is left to be created, that we can just create it over here. So we can just take a box over here, just take a box over here, so convert to editable poly. Let's go into this box, ring it, and let's give a bit of chamfer to it, very less. Click OK, and you can just take a cylinder on top of it. So after taking a cylinder over here, reduce its height segments, convert to editable poly. So let's go into the edge over here, and let's give a bit of chamfer. So, oops. So just give a bit of chamfer, click OK, go into the polygons, insert this, push this up, push this up. Now you can go into this, add one swift loop over here, push it a bit down, go into the polygons over here, extrude it, just rotate it, push it down, that's it. Alright. Okay, so just save your file over here. You can just go back to the camera view over here and adjust it. So we'll start up with the texturing in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.